Hey guys, Tony Maritato here, and I'm answering your questions from Facebook. Let's take a look at Facebook now and see what Greg is asking. Greg asks, he's about 6 weeks out of surgery, and ever since then his calf muscle has been so tight they're killing him, especially after he's been sitting down for a while. After he walks for about 5 minutes, they loosen up, but they still hurt some. He's interested in finding out what else he can do. He's been stretching, but he wants help to reduce the pain. So Greg, let's talk about some of the things that could be causing the muscle pain, why this happened, and then if you stay to the end, I'll show you what to do about it. So it's a really common situation. You are probably experiencing knee pain, obviously before the knee surgery, but then even with the knee surgery, I guarantee for the first couple days, week, 2 weeks, you weren't nearly as active as you used to be. So what happened? The muscle atrophied, the muscle got weakened, and then as you started to recover, all of a sudden you went from very low activity to moderate high activity more quickly than the calf muscle could handle. The calf muscle is what we would call a type 2 muscle fiber primarily. That means it's built for endurance. It's not built for gaining strength very quickly. The other part of what's probably contributing to this is the swelling that you had going on, either still now, which would be totally normal at 6 weeks, but definitely during those first couple weeks of recovery. So gravity will pull the fluid down into the lower leg, the ankle, the calf. That fluid is expanding the tissue, but it's also compressing the tissue. And so that compression in and of itself kind of acts like a tourniquet, causes pain, causes soreness. Why do you feel better when you've been up moving around a little bit? Because the action of the muscle contracting to help you walk actually squeezes some of that fluid out of the area. It also reduces some of the good proteins locally to help reduce pain, to help facilitate circulation, bring nutrients into the tissue, bring waste products out of the tissue. You know, whenever I'm talking to somebody, as long as they respond positively to a little bit of activity, that is a good sign. That means everything is doing what it's supposed to do. That means that you want to manage your recovery between workout sessions. And so in a situation like this, how do we manage recovery? How do we improve the tissue healing properties of the calf muscle specifically? My two go-tos, without a doubt, number one, the rolling pin, and I would focus the pressure from low to high when you're doing the rolling pin massage. I would try to get some elevation if you can while you're doing the rolling pin massage. And then the second one is a basic calf stretch. Now, in this, I'm gonna put up a video card across the top of the YouTube channel so that you can see my favorite way to perform a calf stretch. It seems so simple, and it is, but like most things, you have good and you have better. And I'm gonna show you what I believe is the best way to stretch your calf muscle. Finally, I would encourage you to work specifically on exercises that strengthen the calf and reduce the shock absorption of walking. So what does that mean? Really simple. Double leg heel raise, single leg heel raise. Certainly you could do it assisted at a kitchen counter or something like that. And then if you're still dealing with this kind of pain and soreness, one strategy that has been proven effective in research is what we would call an eccentric heel raise, which is actually just starting from the heel up position and allowing the heel to drop under control. So guys, if you stay with me, I'll put a link at the end of this video to show you those exercises specifically. And please keep your questions coming. You can ask me through Facebook, you can ask me on YouTube, you can ask me anywhere you want. But the more questions you ask, the better content I can bring you. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please take a minute and subscribe. Guys, as always, thank you so much for your participation. I'll catch you on the next video.